Here they come. I want to see the winch set up on this trailer to be able to drag something. Yeah, that should be good. I like that trailer. It has a compressor on it. He's going to try pulling out while I have it attached here. That's a nice trailer. Tilt trailer with an apex winch and a compressor and a compressor housing. Yeah! Give it hell! Hell yeah! So here she is. I just offloaded her with the excavator. Guy had a nice tilt trailer with a compressor and a really nice winch on it. But yeah, man, it's a little rough. I mean, it's really clean, but they definitely filed up the plugs. And so altogether, I paid $22.50 for it. It's got new paint on it. Yeah, he did say one thing. It's got brand new tires. He's like, oh, well, I didn't put oil in the gear case. I'm like, oh, okay. So there's no oil in there. I gotta put oil in that. But hell, for what I paid, I think I did a good deal. Gotta get her running good. She looks sharp. Excavator offloaded her pretty good. So there we go. The landing is tidied up. Now to work on this a little bit when I get a chance. But this was the one I really want to finish first and get this one out the door. Because this one has the most promise of making me money. But yeah, I can't work on it when it's raining like this. I can't paint anyway. I can work on equipment all day in the rain. I don't care. But yeah. So yeah. This machine needs my attention. This machine needs my attention. Them trucks need my attention. Equipment down there needs my attention. Oh no, I ruined my driveway. I need some more gravel. And then this bucket needs my attention. God, you know, normally I buy damaged buckets and I repair them. This one's like, ooh, this one's gonna need some heat. This one's gonna need some heat.